Hey beautiful, it's Nancy Joseph, also known as the Lipstick Boss. And today I have for you 5 gorgeous wedding guest makeup looks. So chances are you have a save the date hanging on your fridge right now. Don't panic. I'm going to give you 5 suggestions for different looks that you can use for the wedding. So this is great for mother of the bride, this is good for mother of the groom, and this is perfect for a wedding guest, where you're going to be gorgeous, but you're not going to steal the show. All right, look number 1 is I want you to match your lipstick to the color of your dress, okay? I'm not talking about a blue dress or a green dress. I'm talking about your neutral colors, something that would look good on your lips, and if it's the color of your dress, go for it. It's very modern look and very chic. The second suggestion is that you find a color that pops on your lips. Keeping your makeup really simple, but a really bold lip. This is a perfect color for someone with a cool color code. All right, let me get that off of there. My suggestion for the third one is that it is the glossy lip look that's trending right now. So your skin is nice and glowy, and then you're just going to grab a nice lip gloss. Very simple look. There you go. Number 4 is using a lip and cheek stain. So this is a cream product that you're just going to go ahead and put a little bit on your lip, and then 2 dots on your cheek right there. Kind of blend that in or push that into your skin, and it gives a really nice a nice glow. So that is number 4. Number 5 is I want to really challenge you or suggest to you that you go for the classic red lip. All right? The red lip always makes your teeth look whiter, so you're going to look amazing in the photos. So find the red that works for you and rock that red lip. I hope that this was helpful. If you'll go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. There's some freebies in the box below. Until next time, mwah, be bold.